My next is supplementary angles. Just like complementary angles, the addition was 90 degrees. In this case, supplementary angle will be 180 degrees. That means the addition of two angles will be 180 degree. One will be acute angle, the other will be obtuse angle. Addition of an acute angle and an obtuse angles will always be equal to 180 degrees. It means if I have this is more than 90, so let's consider if this is 100 degrees. What will be this part? What did I say? These two are supplementary angles. So 100 plus this is equal to 180 degrees. So what will be the value of this? Obviously the value will be 180 minus 100, which is actually is equal to 80. So hence I can say if this is 100 degrees, this has to be 80 degrees. Why? Because the addition of two angles is always equal to 180 degree in case of supplementary. If my condition as supplementary is given. Okay. Now let us consider some more sums like this. Two angles are in ratio of in this case I am taking three angles. Let's bring a little change. Change is always good in mathematics, you know. They are in the ratio of 1:2 is to 3. Okay, I actually calculated to see that whether you're getting a whole number or not. Three angles are in the ratio of 1:3:2 and they are supplementary. Well, let an angle be x. Now what do you mean by this? It means there are actually three angles whose ratio is 1x, 2x and 3x. Okay, this is the diagram which is being mentioned in this line 1:2:3. So I can write it in this format. Now what do I know? Whenever you will get this kind of question, always consider the whole total angle. Thus in case of 90 degree, what happened? We were considering the angle of complementary. The total angle was complementary. In case of supplementary, you have to consider the whole angle. Addition of three angles will always be 180. Clear? So in this case, I can write x plus 2x plus 3x is actually equal to 180 degrees. You will calculate the same format. 3 and 3 comes 6x is equal to 180 degrees. So my x will be divided by 6. It will be coming as 30 degrees. So what do you think my angles are? My first one, 1 degree. It is 30. So this is my 30 degree. 2x, that means 2 into 30, right? 2 into 30 means 60 degrees. And what is 3 into 30? 3 into 30 means 90 degrees. 90 plus 60 plus 30. 30 and 60 means 90. 90 and 90 means 180. Am I getting? Yes. My answer is correct. The three angles are 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Clear? This is how the sums for supplementary will be given if they are in a particular ratio. If it is for two ratios, then you will write the two numbers. If it's for three, then it will be three numbers depending on the question which you are getting. Okay? I will show one last sum in supplementary. Considering 5x plus 2 and x minus 9. I am taking a random number. So let's see what we are getting. If this is the sum which has been given, you can see what is my total. I will always check for the total angle. Dono angle milake, that means the two angles, if I combine together, I can see that they are supplementary angle. That means the addition is 180 degree. So this angle plus this angle will be 180 degree. That means 5x plus 2 and this angle. That means x minus 9 is equal to 180 degree. I'm going to solve for x. 6x, this is minus, it will be minus 7 is equal to 180 degrees. 6x means this 7 will go on the other side. It will come 187. X is equal to 187 by 6. Now if you do the calculation, 6 3s are 18. 6 2s are 12. So this is 1.1. I'll get it as 4 and 6 5 are 36, 6 are 36. Something like this. Let's consider this as 31.2. I'm rounding it up. So 31.2 is my angle X. Don't worry, the numbers can come in decimals because you know in the radiation from 0 to 1 there are 10 differences. So there can be a point in a decimal. That's absolutely okay. So don't worry about it. So if my X is coming as 31.2, I will place the value of X over here. That means 5x plus 2. It means 5 into 31.2 plus 2 will give me the value of this angle. And this angle I can find out just by 180 minus this, whatever answer I'm going to get. So this is it. So in this case, we can understand how supplementary angles can be found out with two conditions. One has to be an acute, one has to be an obtuse, and both the addition will always be 180. In case of complementary, two acute angles addition should always be 90 degree. That's it. Thank you.